Hello बच्चों, today we are going to know items in first aid box. So let's start the video. Tweezers, T W E Z E R S, tweezers. Hand gloves, H A N D, hand, G L O V E S, gloves, hand gloves. Cotton buds, C O double T O N, cotton, B U D S, birds, cotton buds. Hand sanitizer, H A N D, hand, S A N I T I Z E R, sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Mask, M A S K, mask. Medicine, M E D I C I N E, medicine. Syringe, S R I N G E, syringe. Bandage, B A N D A G E, bandage. Thermometer, T H E R M O M E T E R, thermometer. Scissor, S C I double S O R, scissor. Okay बच्चों, see you in the next video. Thank you.